Oh my gosh. What's up, you guys? It is currently 7:58 right now, and I got an exam at 8:30. Low-key live like 30 minutes away, so we're gonna be doing a little POV drive, but we are late, so it's gonna be fun. But yeah, I got an exam for physics at 8:30 in the morning. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. But yeah, usually I wait a little bit for my car to warm up, and I live like pretty much 30 minutes away. So we're gonna see if I make it, cause I want a good spot. I don't want to sit all the way in the front during the test. Yeah, usually I would wait a little bit for my car to warm up, but I low-key like got to leave. Oh my gosh, and it's freaking freezing. These last couple of days have been so cold. It rained like 2 days ago. Or yeah, like 2 days ago. And oh my gosh. We don't get a lot of rain here in Southern California, so when we do, we're not prepared for it. All the streets were flooded. It was like a horrible drive. I was gonna record it. But I left the mic at home, so I was like, damn it, I gotta just wait for another opportunity. That far from my school. The problem is traffic, especially right now with people like going to work and stuff, or trying to drop off at school. That traffic is annoying. It'll become like stop and go. Like, you see all this, it's in the opposite direction, so it's not affecting me, but like, it's still a lot. Guys, it's almost gonna be 1 year that I had this car. I got this car on the 19th of October 2024, and it's literally like insane to think about. I feel like I just got this car, but nope, I've literally almost had it for an entire year. I know the build is like slow. I haven't really done much to the car, but that's just because, bro, I'm a broke college student. I had to replace my wheels, or not my wheels. I had to replace my tires, but that's just because they were shot. Like, that was one of the first things I needed to do. My radiator blew. My clutch slave and clutch master cylinder are both new. More of it, I feel like, is maintenance that I've done for the car rather than like modifications, but it's my daily driver, so I'd rather have it run than not run and look cool in my garage, you know? Yeah, we're really not gonna be able to tell how bad the traffic is until like we're past the point of no return. Traffic starts getting bad when we merge onto the bigger freeway. I ain't got time to waste. Before I changed my tires, the ride was so like loud, and I didn't know that that's not normal. I just thought, this is an old car, you know, it's gonna be a loud ride. But they were like 12-year-old tires or 10-year-old tires, I think the guy said. I don't remember. And man, when I changed them, it was like a night and day difference. It completely changed the feel of the car. And I think that's one of the things that I appreciate is, like, with these old cars, yeah, things are gonna break down, or things are gonna be old. This is a 30-year-old car, you know. But when you do change it, like when I do end up refreshing my suspension with new control arms, compliance bushings, tie rod ends, sway bar end links, it it's gonna change the feel of the car again, you know. Yeah, usually back there would have been hella traffic. So right now, at least, that means that we're gonna get to school a little bit quicker. Yeah, my test today is on physics, and I'm actually pretty good at math. But this year my course load, I'm taking physics, and then I have a lab class to go with it. I have chemistry. I have history of kinesiology, because that's my major, kinesiology. So I have a history class as well, and then I'm also taking Japanese with my girlfriend. That class is so sick. Yeah, but Japanese, we have physics and then Japanese, so they're both like early morning classes, and sometimes it's rough, especially when you're staying up late studying or doing whatever. Gotta show up to class off like a couple hours of sleep. Yeah, but this is gonna be midterm number 2 for physics, and I'm probably gonna be late to it. It's okay. I don't think it should be a problem. I know he started late last time just because there's always stragglers. Guys, since I've been working those 2 jobs, I've been starting to make a little bit more money, obviously, and I need to know what to buy. I'm gonna buy motor mounts because mine are shot. Like, see how much my transmission moves if I let off the gas? That's not normal. I can feel the entire car shake every time I let off the gas, and it's manageable, but I know it's not good for the engine, and it gets annoying, you know. So I wanna replace the motor mounts, and my brakes kind of suck. I think the stock brakes on this car aren't the best. My rears are definitely low, so they're in need of a replacement at least. But I'm thinking of doing the Mini Cooper rotor CRV caliper with the TSX pads. That poor man's Type R upgrade. It's not too expensive, to be honest. The whole kit is like $400, and that's for all 4 rotors, all 4 calipers, all 4 pads, and it should improve my stopping power a lot more than, you know, what I currently have. I don't think that I can make it, guys. It's okay if I'm late, but I still gotta buy my parking pass for the day. And I don't want to be that kid that goes into class late during an exam, you know. Yeah, but my girlfriend got me a Spoon steering wheel for my birthday. I haven't been able to put it on because I don't have the hub. And up until pretty recently, I've been broke. So now that I'm starting to make a little bit more money, I want to put on that steering wheel. I freaking hate this thing. It's so bulky, and it's big compared to the Spoon steering wheel. It looks sick. I'll show you guys in a different video, probably when I put it on. That thing is tough. And then I want it to be a quick release, just because I don't want to have to keep using my steering wheel lock. I'd rather just take my wheel inside, or put the wheel inside of the trunk. That way no one can steal it. And then I'll get one of those hub locks that you can just unlock with the key. That's another thing too. too. I've been like hesitant to take this car to the canyons because of my motor mounts. The weight transfer is like so drastic, and it's like instantaneous when it happens. I let off the throttle and automatically I can feel all of that weight shift. See and hear that? Those are my brakes. They need to get fucking replaced. I'll probably buy them like tonight. But I love driving. I had went once, and that feeling is like so addicting. So I know why people get hooked to like canyon driving or even like track days. I understand. Definitely understand. But, you know, once I get my motor mounts installed and I get my brakes redone, I'll have a fun ass car that I can take to the canyons. I don't wanna daily drive this car like for the entire foreseeable future. Just because daily driving is putting like so many miles on it, and I want to preserve it. When I do get another car that's newer, and I can put this as like my project car, I can put all my attention on that without having to worry about the daily drivability. The build's gonna be crazy, but that'll take a while. That'll definitely take a while for me to get another car. So for now, we're gonna be doing the sick ass daily driver setup. Yeah, one of my homies actually, he had an 8th gen Civic Si, and he picked me up on Monday. I think it was Monday. Yeah, Monday. He picked me up after I finished my homework. He's like, "Yo, I have something to show you." This fool pulled up in a GSR swapped EF Civic, and it's like a SI chassis, so like it had the sunroof, and it was like mint. It was fucking mint. Like, I was so surprised, and it ripped. His car ripped. The inside was like super clean. Everything was redone. He said all the suspension components were redone. New control arms, new coilovers, even like strut bracing, rotors, all of it. Literally anything you can imagine, it was all redone. And then it was like a fully built motor. So he had ITR pistons, he had upgraded cams. Let's get over to the right one. He had like 500cc injectors. Damn. Like another Integra. Yeah, but he has bigger injectors, intake manifold, actual cold air intake. Like that car is like actually mint. I was like so surprised. Okay guys, I made it to school. I gotta rush to park and get my ticket, so I'm gonna end the video here. But I just want to say thank you guys for clicking on the video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any future videos that you guys want to see. And wish me luck on my test, because this shit's gonna be crazy. But yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.